Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing great. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create an assignment in Google Classroom step by step. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any helpful tips. First of all, open your Google Classroom or simply go to the browser and open your classroom.google.com. After opening it, make sure you are sign in and simply open the class where you want to assign the work. Click on the classroom tab at the top. I want to keep the assignment in this class, so simply open it. Now go to the classwork section. To go in here, simply click on plus icon at the bottom right. After clicking here, simply click on assignment. You can give also question, quiz or material. Simply click on it assignment. After clicking here, give your assignment title. Suppose I am naming homework, and put your description and simply add attachment by adding drive or inserting link or uploading your file. Once everything is done, simply click here assign, and that's it. Your student will see it under the classwork. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and I will see you in the next one.